Before starting the ledger entries, let's first find out what actually the ledger is. Ledger is the principal book of business. Principal book of business. Why is it called the principal book of business? Because it holds all the permanent records of the transactions, and from this book, actually from the closing balances of the ledger, closing balances of ledger, what we prepare? We prepare trial balance. So it goes like this. And first point of time, what we prepare is journal. From journal, we post the entries into ledger, and from the closing balances of ledger, we prepare a trial balance. What is the format? We have a debit side, we have a credit side, the name of the ledger here, the date, we have the date here, then we have particulars, now the journal folio, JF. What is the journal folio? The entry I am posting from journal to ledger, the entry at which page number is it recorded in journal, I have to write it here. Okay, if it is mentioned in the question journal folio so and so, write it here. Amount. Here, which amount are you writing here? It is the debit amount because this is the debit side. Okay, now about the credit side, date again. Particulars. Journal folio. Amount. So this is our pro forma, and we need to post entries in the ledger.